No, I'm not cleaning the bench. I think I just did that previously. But anyway, in case you're wondering what I got here, I picked up this at a pawn shop for 20 bucks. Got an old set of 7 CRs, 7 WR, a 5 WR, and a small little pair of 6 Rs. Vise Grips. Got one set of those. Picked up a baby set of Vise Grips like that. I also picked up one of these, and not bad of a shape. It's got a different little jaw right here. And I got this rusty little bugger. 20 bucks. It was all good. That was my little tool haul I picked up last week. And it's in between, like I said in a previous video. Just had a baby, so I was out getting some stuff, and whatever. Haven't been here in a couple of days. That's pretty much all I got. And well, I got something else too, but I'll make another video out of it. Just, I like it. If in case anybody's wondering, I keep making short videos because I can't upload long ones. Long ones take too damn long, and people got a short attention span on YouTube. I will make some longer videos, but for now, these little things are just gonna be short videos. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Enjoy.